For this small displacement, there is a small work done, infinite small displacement ds bar. The work done is dw is equal to f bar dot ds bar. F bar dot ds bar. So that is f bar dot ds bar. So this dw is equal to f ds cos theta. This is f ds cos theta. That one. So now this dw is equal to dw here. dw is equal to what is that? F ds cos theta. 1 minute. dw is equal to f ds cos theta. Right. So now the total work done, w is equal to integral dw from where to where, a to b. That is a to b, like this. So this is w is equal to integral f ds cos theta from a to b. This is the work done for variable force. The force is variable, so that is the work done. Okay. And suppose force is constant and displacement is varies like this. Suppose here this is ds bar is equal to, we can write that dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap is there. Okay. Dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. That is ds bar. Okay. Suppose if f bar is equal to fx I cap plus fy j cap plus fz k cap, right? And what is the work done? So w is equal to integral f bar dot ds bar. So means w is equal to integral from a to b like this. ఇలా ఉంది అనుకుంటున్నా, a to b. So this is w is equal to integral. So this is fx into dx. ఇది coordinates, ఇక్కడ coordinates ఇస్తే we can write that x1 to x2 plus integral fy dy. So that is y1 to y2 plus integral fz dz z1 to z2. z1 to z2. So what is the example of this one? దీనికి ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏంటి? Suppose if f is equal to, if f bar is equal to 6x I cap plus 2y j cap newtons. So variable force. So means force is variable. So it is changes with respect to x as well as y. With respect to x, it is changes, and y also it is changes. Displace a body from r1 bar is equal to, so displace a body from r1 bar is equal to 3i cap plus 8j cap to 3i cap plus 8j cap to R2 bar is equal to 5i cap minus 4j cap. So here asking that find the work done by the force. So what is the work done? So find the work done by the force. ఇలా ఉంది. So this is W is equal to integral f dx fx dx from x1 to x2 plus integral fy dy from y1 to y2. We can write like this. And only xy ఉంది కాబట్టి. So this is f is equal to fx is equal to what is that? 6x into dx integral x1 to x2. This is x1, this is x2. This is x1, this is x2. This is x1, this is x2. 3 to 5. ఇలా. Plus integral fy is 2y dy from y1 to y2. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. x1 to x2, y1 to y2. That is. So now this is equal to 6 integral x dx from 3 to 5 plus 2 integral y dy from 8 minus 4. So this is equal to 6. It is x square by 2 from 3 to 5 plus 2. This is y square by 2, 8 to minus 4. So now this is 6 by 2, 5 square minus 3 square plus 2 by 2 minus 4 whole square minus 8 square. This is. So this is 3. This is 1. 25 minus 9 plus 1 into 16 minus 64. This is. So 3 into 16. 1 into 64 minus 16 is equal to what is that? 64 minus 16. How much? Chabandra, 64 minus 16 is equal to how much? Minus 48. So this is 48. This is plus minus 48. 16 into 3 is equal to how much? 16 into 3 is equal to how much? 48, na? Yeah. So this is equal to 48 minus 48. That is 0. Work done is 0. This is the work done. 0 is the work done. So the graph for variable force, work done by variable force. So what is the graph? The work done by variable force. And see, this is the graph. This is the displacement, and this is the force. If the graph is there like this, then a variable force will take graph. This is the graph. So now this is what is that? S1 is there, and it is S2. So exactly, I consider that 2 points. So the force is very close to each other. These are the 2 points. So means almost the force is equal. I consider the 2 points. This is a ds and is the force F. So dw is equal to F into ds, and W is equal to integral dw from S1 to S2. So W is equal to integral F ds, F bar dot ds bar, S1 to S2, due to this variable force. That is a graph, variable force. Suppose here the force F is equal to A plus Bx. A plus Bx newtons. A plus Bx newtons acts on a particle in x direction. Acts x direction. Constants. A and B are constants. Find the work done by this force. Find the work done by this force during the displacement from x1 to x2. So during the displacement from x1 to x2. And see, this is the force. Force is equal to this one. So we know that W is equal to integral F dx from x1 to x2. That is a variable force. So force is variable. So this W is equal to integral x1 to x2. F is equal to A plus bx into dx. So this W is equal to integral A dx from x1 to x2 plus integral bx dx from x1 to x2. Now this is A constant is out, integral dx from x1 to x2 plus B constant is out, x dx. This is x dx from x1 to x2. So this is equal to A. Integral dx is x from x1 to x2 plus B integral x dx is x square by 2 from x1 to x2. So this is equal to A, first upper limit x2 minus lower limit x1 plus B by 2, first upper limit x2 square minus lower limit x1 square. So this is the work done. So work done is equal to A into x2 minus x1 plus B by 2 into x2 square minus x1 square. This is the work done.
So variable force is that the force is variable. So we can do the work done is like this. Ila manam work done find out. Force variable like right. Next, the displacement of the particle of mass 1 kg. The displacement of the particle of mass 1 kg on a horizontal smooth surface on a smooth surface on a horizontal smooth surface is a function of time is given by x is equal to function of time is given by x is equal to 1 by 3 t square. 1 by 3 t square. So 1 by 3 not t square, 1 by 3 t cube. T cube is there. Find out the work done by the external agent for the first 1 second. Find out the work done by the external agent. Find out the work done by the external agent for the first 1 second. For the first 1 second. Okay. Yeah, this is. So first displacement is given t cube by 3. This is the displacement. From this displacement, you find the velocity d by dt of x. T cube by 3. So d by dt of t cube by 3 means t 3 into t square by 3. This is the velocity. So velocity is equal to t square. That is. So after velocity, find acceleration. D by dt of v. That is d by dt of t square. 2t is the acceleration. Acceleration is 2t. So acceleration is 2t. What is the force? F is equal to ma. That is m is 1 kg. 1 into a. F is equal to a. F is equal to 2. Right? F is equal to 2t newtons. So F is equal to 2t newtons. Now here there is displacement. F is equal to 2t newtons. And what is the displacement? displacement is equal to what is it? And the force is equal to what I have to write. Force అంటే నేనేం రాసుకోవచ్చు here this is equal to MA, that is equal to MA. Is equal to MA. ఇలా ఉంచాలి. సో ఇప్పుడు మనకి వర్క్ W is equal to integral F into ds. అంతేగా W is equal to integral F into ds. So F into ds means F into what is it? Dx here. F is equal to MA into dx. So this is equal to M. A ante what I have to write? dv by dt into dx. A is equal to dv by dt. So A is equal to dv by dt into dx. So dv by dt into dx, that is okay. లేదు ఇంకా ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు, ఇంకా ఏ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు. సో dv by dt into dx. సో dv by dt into dx. టైం ఉంది కదా, ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ టైం ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని మార్చాలి. సో దాన్ని మార్చాలి అంటే నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను, దిస్ ఇస్ MA in terms of the time లేకుండా చూసుకుందాం. MA dx. So it is multiplied with dt and divided with dt and divided with. So this is equal to MA. This is dx by dt into d. dx by dt into dt. So dx by dt is equal to what is that? Velocity. dx by dt is equal to velocity. అంటే integral MA, okay, integral MA. So dx by dt. So dx by dt is equal to velocity. అంటే MA v into dt. This is. So this is equal to M1 A is equal to what is it? 2t. And velocity is equal to what is it? P square dt. So this is equal to integral 2t cubed dt, right? 2t cubed dt. So this is equal to integration to t power 4 by 4. This is. So this is 2 here, that is t power 4 by 2. T is equal to 1, 1 power 4 by 2. So 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5. అంటే ఏం లేదు, ఒకసారి చూడండి, నేను ఏం చేయలేదు, ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. 0.5 that is the work. So work is equal to 0.5 joules. ఏం చేశానంటే ఇక్కడ యాక్సలరేషన్ కట్టాను కదా, యాక్సలరేషన్ కట్టిన తర్వాత ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ ఫీల్డ్ లో ఉన్నాయి కదా, సో అందుకని F is equal to MA, W is equal to F dx, MA into dx. సో దీన్ని ఏం చేశానంటే dt తో మల్టిప్లై చేసి dt తో డివైడ్ చేశాను, వాల్యూ డస్ నాట్ చేంజ్. dt తో మల్టిప్లై చేసి dt తో డివైడ్ చేశాను, వాల్యూ డస్ నాట్ చేంజ్. So MA into this is dx by dt into d. dx by dt ni velocity రాస్తాం. MA into dt. A in terms of the time is 2t, velocity in terms of the time is t square into dt. So this is 2t into t square, t cube dt. So this integration is 2, this is t power 4 by 4. So ఇది 2 times cancel out, t power 4 by 2. T is equal to what is it? T is equal to 1 second అన్నాడు కదా. So t is equal to 1 second అన్నాడు కాబట్టి 1 power 4 by 2, that is 1 by 2, 0.5 joules. That is the work. 0.5 joules is the work. ఎవరమ్మా మాట్లాడు, హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, నేను మ్యూట్ చేయలేదు, ఎవరిని మ్యూట్ చేయలేదు. So a bucket of water of mass capital M is lifted from a well by using a rope of mass M, length L. Then the work done by the lifting force is. And suppose here there is a well. Well is there. So this is the well. In this well, so from this well here, there is a bucket of water. This is the bucket. This is the bucket. So water is lifted by using a rope. This is the rope of length L. So this is lifted. So the mass of the bucket is capital M. The mass of the rope is a small m here. Mass of the rope. So length to be lifted is L. L is the length. అంటే బకెట్ మొత్తం బయటికి రావాలంటే బకెట్ మాస్ బయటికి రావాలి అంటే L లెంత్ లిఫ్ట్ చేయాలి. మరి రోప్ మాస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటది? సెంటర్ లో. రోప్ మాస్ కి ఎంత లిఫ్ట్ చేయాలి? L/2 నే లిఫ్ట్ చేయాలి. రోప్ మాస్ L/2, బకెట్ మాస్ ఎంత? క్యాపిటల్ L, టోటల్ లెంత్ లిఫ్ట్ చేయాలి. రోప్ మాస్ కి మాత్రం M లిఫ్ట్ చేయాలి. అంటే హియర్ ద వర్క్ డన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, because of bucket mass there is a mg, the force into displacement is L, plus and the rope mass, this is mg L/2. So this w is equal to mgl plus mg L/2. So this is m into L plus m/2 ml/2 into what is it? G square. This is the work. That is the work. The bucket mass, the bucket of water the pipe is around the rope of mass m length L. So how much work you have to do? And W is equal to ml plus ml/2. That is the work. So next, a uniform chain of capital M, length capital L is kept on the table such that some part such that 1 by nth part of 1 by nth part of length of the chain hanging freely from the edge of table. Then the work done by lifting force, so that hanging part onto the table. Hanging part onto the table. అంటే ఇక్కడ టేబుల్ ఉంది. This is the table. Table is there. A uniform chain of length L is kept such that so 1 by nth part of the chain is hanging from the table. Table నుంచి ఒక edge నుంచి ఫ్రీగా హ్యాంగ్ అవుతుంది. సో దీన్ని పైకి తీసుకురావాలంటే how much work you have. ఆ హ్యాంగింగ్ పార్ట్ ని పైకి తీసుకురావాలంటే నువ్వు ఎంత వర్క్ చేయాలి అంటే చూద్దాం. See that. So what is the for L length? For L length, the mass of the chain is m. Per unit length, what is the mass of the chain? M by L. ఈ హ్యాంగింగ్ పార్ట్ మాస్ స్మాల్ m అంటారు అండ్ దీని లెంగ్త్ స్మాల్ l అంటారు. స్మాల్ l. ఓకే. So small l is equal to what is that? Capital L by n, because 1 by nth part of length of the chain. Small l is equal to, so this mass is small m here, mass is equal to small m, L is equal to L by n. So for L length, what is the mass? M by L into L, this is small m, this small m mass. So that is m by L into small l is equal to what is it? L by L is there. So this is equal to small m. And m is equal to m by mass of the hanging part. A mass of the hanging part ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? Exactly at the center. ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? Exactly at the center. This is the mass is constant. So to take up this mass is take up, how much work I have to do? What is the length? L by 2. So this is taking up, W is equal to mg L by 2. Okay. So the work done to lift hanging part, work done to lift hanging part on the table. on the table. So W is equal to mg L by 2. ఆ పాటగా ముందు పైకి m అంటే what is that? M by n g. So this L is equal to what is that? L by n into 2 is there. L by 2 kada, L place lo L by n. So this is equal to mg L by 2n square is the work done. So the work done is mg L by 2n square. That is the work done. mg L by 2n square. So to lift the hanging part of the chain onto the table, so how much work you have to do? ఎంత వర్క్ నువ్వు చేయాలి అంటే, so that is mg L by 2n square. That is the work done. Right? So okay, I'm going to stop the class.